All right, let's get straight into it. This thing might just be the unbelievable budget king of 2026 that nobody saw coming. After using the Poco M8 5G for a full week, I'm sitting here thinking, how is this phone only around $290 unlocked in the US? Seriously, if you're hunting for a solid daily driver without dropping flagship cash, this could be a total game changer. But is it really worth your money right now, or are there better picks out there? Stick around, because I'm breaking it all down honestly, no fluff. So, design and build first. This phone feels surprisingly premium for what it is. You've got that sleek, curved AMOLED display wrapping around the edges, making it look and feel slimmer than its actual 7.4 millimeters thickness. It's lightweight at just 178 grams, and sits perfectly in the hand. No fatigue even after hours of scrolling or gaming. The plastic back and frame keep the price down, but don't worry, it doesn't feel cheap. There's zero flex. The buttons are clicky and well placed on the right side, and that color-matched camera island with the silver ring gives it a nice Poco personality without being flashy. Colors? Black, green, silver, all sharp. And get this, it's got IP66 dust and water resistance, high-pressure jets, basically splash-proof and tough enough for rain or accidental spills. Plus, drop resistant up to 1.7 meters on some toughened glass front. For a budget phone, that's legit durability. I toss in my bag with keys and change all week, no scratches, no issues. The in-hand grip is confident thanks to those curves, and the under-display optical fingerprint scanner, quick and accurate every time. No complaints there. Now the display, oh man, this is where it shines. 6.77-inch AMOLED, 120 Hz refresh rate, up to 3,200 nits peak brightness. I hit around 1470 nits in auto under bright sun. Colors pop with that 12-bit depth, no banding, and it's HDR capable for YouTube or streaming. Sure, it's full HD plus at 388 ppi, but on this size, it's plenty sharp. Scrolling feels buttery. Videos look vibrant and outdoor visibility, no squinting needed. One downside, no true per-app refresh rate control like on some siblings, and HDR video decoding isn't fully there in software, so Netflix in HDR might not hit max potential. But for everyday use, this screen punches way above its price. Performance-wise, the Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 for nanometers, with up to 8 GB RAM and UFS 2.2 storage keeps things smooth. Day-to-day stuff, social media, browsing, multitasking, zero hiccups. Gaming? It handles casual titles fine, but don't expect ultra settings on heavy games without some tweaks. Thermals are excellent. It stays barely warm even during long sessions. No throttling drama. Benchmarks put it mid-range solid, ahead of older Helio chips, but not flagship territory. Expandable storage via microSD, hybrid slot, so pick SIM or card, is a nice bonus in 2026. Camera time. Rear setup is basic. 50 megapixel main, OmniVision sensor, PDF, with a depth helper, no ultra-wide, which hurts compared to the Redmi Note 15 5G sibling. Daylight shots? Really good detail. Controlled noise, likable colors, solid dynamic range. A bit of overexposure sometimes, but nothing deal-breaking. Portraits are conservative on bokeh. Safe, not artificial looking. 2x zoom is usable but sharp and aggressively. Low light, decent exposures, good colors, but shadows get dark and detail softens. Selfies from the 20 megapixel front cam are solid. Wide lens, nice skin tones. Good for calls or social posts. Video. For K30 from rear, no stabilization, so tripod recommended for steady shots. 1080p 60 possible. Quality's good. Detail, colors, dynamic range, but shaky handheld. 1080p gets stabilization, so that's your go-to for smooth clips. Not a camera phone, but for the price, it delivers reliable everyday snaps without major fails. Battery life solid, but not mind-blowing. 5,520 milliamp hours lasts about 14 hours of active use. Full day easy with mixed scrolling, streaming, calls. I got through heavy days without stress. 45 watts charging, 36% in 15 minutes, 63% in 30, full in just over an hour. Reverse wired at 18 watts is handy for topping up earbuds. Silicon carbon tech helps longevity, and you've got 80% limit or smart charging options. Software: HyperOS 2 on Android 15 out of the box. Cleanish, some bloat, but manageable. With app drawer option, split notifications or controls. Dolby Atmos for speakers. Stereo setup gets loud, up to 300% boost, but stick to 100% for clarity. Mids are decent, bass weak, highs distort at max. Promises 4 major OS upgrades and 6-year security. Excellent for budget. NFC, market dependent. IR Blaster, Wi-Fi 5, BT 5.1, dual 5G SIMs, no eSIM, no 3.5mm jack. After a week, the Poco M8 5G nails the basics. Bright, gorgeous display, reliable performance, tough build, decent battery and charging, long updates. It's a no-nonsense all-rounder that feels consistent and dependable. Compromises? No ultra-wide, big miss for versatility. Camera's basic. Charging not the fastest anymore, and performance isn't exciting for gamers. In the US market right now, you're looking around $290 for the 256 gigabytes per 8 gigabytes unlocked version. Amazon, etc. works on T-Mobile or Mint check bands. That's aggressive value. But competition's fierce in 2026. Samsung's Galaxy A36 or series often bring better build, Gorilla Glass, IP67, ultra-wide cam, and cleaner software with longer support. Motorola's Edge 60 Fusion or G Power Series crush battery life and add nicer designs or stabilization. Even Poco's own X7 Pro steps up performance big time for a bit more cash. So, should you buy the Poco M8 5G? If you want max value on a bright AMOLED, expandable storage, solid durability, and don't need fancy cameras or blazing speed, absolutely. It's one of the safest, most balanced budget bets out there. It won't wow you with standout features, but avoids pitfalls and delivers where it counts. For pure affordability and reliability, yeah, grab it. But if you can stretch for an ultra-wide or better processor, look at those alternatives. What do you think? Does this sound like your next phone, or are you eyeing something else? Drop your thoughts below, smash that like if this helped, and subscribe for more Real Talk reviews. Catch you in the next one.